Hi everyone, welcome to LearnRate Academy. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you different ways of applying the border to your selected text or to your data set in Microsoft Excel. Now let's kick off. This is my data set. I want to apply border. If you look at it presently, I'm having all borders covering every part of the text. So I can select this data set, then click on the arrow or the button beside the border button. Then when you do that, you have a list of drop down containing different ways of applying borders. If you click on no borders, it removes all the borders and you have your text just normal like it was before you apply the border. Or if you want border in any selected way, for instance, if I want the border to be only at the bottom, I click on bottom border. If you want it only at the top, you click on top border. If you want it only at the left hand side, left border. If you want it only on the right hand side, you click right border. If you want everything covered with a border, you click all borders. If you want only the external part to be covered with, that means the border should just cover the text outside, then you click on outside border. If you want an outside border that is very thick, you click on thick box border. Then if you want double line at the bottom of your border, you click bottom double border. Then if you want a very thick bottom border, you take this. If you want top and bottom, you take this. If you want top and thick bottom border, you take this. If you want top and double bottom border, then you pick this. Now let me quickly apply some of them before we come to the end of this tutorial. So let me start with the first one, which is bottom border. Click on it. Now I'm selecting my text. You can see at the bottom of the text the data set. I'm trying to zoom it now so that you can see very well. You can see at the bottom, this is the bottom border. Only the bottom part of the text or of the data set has been covered, with border. So now you can come up here and let me just use the thick box border outside. So then look at it now, only the outside of the data set has been covered with borders. So in order to test others, I will advise you to type a set of data and then just select and begin to apply one after the other, just as I've shown you, and you are going to see the difference and how this border is being applied. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you can get notified when we release a new video. Like and share so that others could also be a partaker of this video, so that it can also be of help to them. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.